Guys, welcome back to my video channel. Today we are gonna look at my microwave oven, and this is the front. This is live goods, and okay, so I'm gonna open it. Okay, guys. Let me open it. I didn't accept it to come like this. I also have a Simpson one. I'll show you that one also. That one has gone old. I have took out the glass panel. Can you imagine? Can I even grab this? Huh? It's big. Very big. I'll show you the video when it's open. I got it from Chroma, and this is the microwave. Bye guys.